How to fix Marvel Rivals loading screen at 99%. So let's get started to fix this problem. So many players, myself included, have encountered a frustrating issue that significantly affects our gaming experience. The game takes an excessively long time to load. We often find ourselves waiting for what feels like an eternity, as it frequently freezes at 99% loading mark for an extended period of time. This delay can be quite disheartening, and when we finally manage to enter a game, we are often met with another problem. The character model fails to load properly, which detracts from the overall enjoyment of the game. If you're dealing with this frustrating situation, here are some adjustments that you can make that may help resolve the issue. One effective solution is to change your display mode to borderless window. This setting can sometimes alleviate loading problems. Additionally, consider lowering your graphics quality to low. These adjustments can have a significant impact on performance, and after you have made that changes, go ahead and join a game to test whether the loading times improve. You should notice a marked difference, as it is likely that the game will load much faster and your character model should now load correctly without any issues. So this was all about it. If you found this tip helpful and it enhances your gaming experience, please take a moment to like and subscribe. Your support can help us share more useful tips and tricks with the community. Thanks for watching.